Dear students of Standard 8, welcome to the class of English First Paper. Today we are going to learn Lesson 3 from Unit 5. Our lesson's name is Declaration of Independence. Let's see the text. Declaration of Independence. This may be my last message. From today, Bangladesh is independent. I call upon the people of Bangladesh, wherever you might be, and with whatever you have, to resist, that means to defend, the army of occupation to the last. Here, occupation means the control of a country by military forces of a foreign power, that is, Dakholdar Bahini. Your fight must go on until the last soldier of the Pakistan occupation army is expelled, that means is removed from the soil of Bangladesh and final victory is achieved. Message embodying Declaration of Independence sent by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman to Chittagong shortly after midnight of 25th March, that is, early hours of 26th March 1971 for transmission throughout Bangladesh over the EPR transmitter. These sentences are very familiar to you. Next part of the text is perhaps all of you are familiar with Bangabandhu's historic speech on 7th March 1971. In that speech, he narrated the long history of repression, that means subjugation, oppression, etc., and struggle of Bangalis for self rule, that means self government, autonomy, or Shayatto Shashon. There he narrated how the Pakistani rulers exploited us and tried to stop our voice at the gunpoint. By the end of the speech, he urged, that is, he encouraged or persuaded everyone to be prepared with whatever they had. He emphasized that our struggle was for liberty and independence. And finally, the declaration of the independence came from Bangabandhu in the first hours of 26 March 1971. Bangabandhu passed on this voice message just after he was arrested by the Pakistani army. Pass on, that is convey. Dear students, this is all about the text. Now we will learn some question answer. Our first question is, what does Declaration of Independence mean? Declaration of Independence means an official or formal statement of independence. Number 2. Who declared the independence of Bangladesh and when? Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh. It was announced after midnight on the 25th March 1971. Number 3. Why is March 26 observed as the Independence Day of Bangladesh? The answer will be March 26 is observed as the Independence Day of Bangladesh because Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh at the early hours of 26 March 1971. Our next question is, who declared Bangladesh an independent state? The answer is very easy. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared Bangladesh an independent state. Next question. Why did Bangabandhu say this may be my last message in his declaration of independence? The declaration of the independence of Bangladesh began with this may be my last message. Bangabandhu said so because he could assume that he would be arrested soon by the Pakistan army. And our last question is, what connection do you find between Bangabandhu's speech on 7 March and this message on Declaration of Independence? That means you have to find out the similarity. On 7 March 1971, Bangabandhu expressed in his speech that the people of Bengal wanted freedom. Then, in the Declaration of the Independence of Bangladesh, Bangabandhu said that from March 26, Bangladesh was independent. Hence, the independence of Bangladesh is common both in his speech and in his formal announcement of independence. That means the common thing is the independence of Bangladesh. In our textbook, there is exercise C, matching. Let's solve it. Here, two columns are given and we have to match the word with the meanings. The answer will be unconditional, absolute, surrender, give up, unarmed, not carrying weapons, genocide, systematic killing of many people, urge, encourage. And in exercise D, there is rearrange. That means some sentences are given. You have to rearrange it. Let's try to solve it. There are total 10 sentences. You have to write down the rearrange in this way. At first, you will make a table, then you will write the number of sentences, then you will arrange the sentences in order. The answer will be on the night of 25th March 1971, the Pakistani army started mass killings under their Operation Searchlight. Mujib was almost sure that this would happen. Hence, he issued a text and a recorded message for the people urging them to fight for their own freedom. There he declared Bangladesh independent in the early hours of 26 March 1971. Later that night, Mujib was arrested and taken to West Pakistan. It was such a big setback for his political colleagues, but as per Mujib's advice, many of them were able to cross the border in the next few days. From there, they led the war of independence in the name of Bangabandhu. Afterwards, they formed a government in exile for the People's Republic of Bangladesh on 17 April 1971. After a 9-month long war, over 90,000 Pakistani soldiers unconditionally surrendered to the joint command of Bangladesh Liberation Army and Indian forces on 16 December 1971. On 10 January 1972, Mujib returned to his country as a hero and became the father of the nation. Dear students, whenever rearrange will come in your exam or test, you must follow this structure to write down the answer. You must practice model question from Advanced Learner book at your home. We'll meet soon with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.